Hello people, today we are going to see demo of study board. Here any user can communicate with the board to take test and learn from it. So let's perform the demo. When you look into the screen, you will find a profile picture, a cover photo, and along with the about message you can print whatever you want over here. So this is the message. When you click on get started button, a welcome message will be shown from the bot. So here you have an option to say hi. So a bot will respond like greeting, I am STEM, a study bot. Please choose from the menu and have happy learning. So you can choose any one of them like maths quiz, science quiz, or you can go for fun study. So we'll go for maths quiz. So it will provide a collection of question you have to answer, and it will also provide some options to choose from. So you can choose and you can go ahead. So like this you will answer the questions, and again the question will appear. Around 6 or 7 question will come, and you have to answer them all, and after that the result will be shown. See, here we got question like how many zeros are in Google. So I replied as 100. So these are in the bottom, we are getting a quick reply. We can also type in the text bar provided here, or we can go for this thing like we can type here and response. And the next question will appear after that. One after another question will keep on coming, and you have to answer all of them, and any user can learn from here and give this test to know how much they learn. And I got scored like 7 out of 7. All the answers I provided by me is correct. So this is how we can give test into this study board, and this also provide like congrats. So if we want to start again, we can do that. We can directly type start, and bot will ask whether to go for math, science, or fun quiz. So I'll go for science quiz. Again the collection of question will be coming from the bot, and I have to answer, or any user can answer and learn from here. You can also share this to your friend and join together, so you can learn faster, and it is a fun way of learning. So here only 3 out of 5 is correct, and I am done with this thing. So along with this I have an option of quick menu provided here like math, science, and others. I can directly click on any one of them and go forward. Like if I want to click on science, so the bot will respond great. To start science quiz, type start below. So I can type start. So I want to know how the fun study working, how I can study from this bot. So I can go opt for any practice maths or science. So this is a question they have provided me, I have to answer. And if giving correct answer, it will provide like it is correct, and explanation also it will provide. Let's try this fun science practice. So it says like no, the answer is cerebellum, and the explanation also, an efficient image will also be provided. And this is how the bot will work. This is just a basic demonstration of study board. It will grow a lot more and we can do much more in this one. Okay, bye, thank you.